So, ito yung website na pinuntahan natin is Cruise Direct and destination is World Cruises, and yung cruise lines natin dito na pinili is Caribbean, and pinili natin is 21 nights World Cruise, and mag-iiba lang ata siya depende sa pipiliin mong destination, yung cruise line yung mag-iiba. And let's wait a few seconds, then andito na tayo sa pag-fill up, like number of guests, and since solo traveler tayo, pili natin is 1, and age is 22, and select a state kung saan manggagaling. Ay, ayan. And yung pinili nating departure date is January 5, 2025. Ship is Island Princess. And ayan, select my room type. And wait a few seconds again. Okay, ayan. Mamimili lang tayo ng room natin. And ang room type na gusto natin is ocean view. So, ayan, select natin. Then, proceed. And ayan, wait lang natin. Pag nakapag-loading na, continue to booking. And check out. And mag-fill up lang tayo ng ating information. Okay, ayan. Okay, ayan. Okay, ayan, miss. Since babae tayo. And pakita lang natin yung mga pupuntahan din niya. Ayan. And yung full name natin. Then last name and middle name. And yung ating date of birth. Ayan. Which is December 23, 2002. Ayan. Okay. Then, ating nationality. And yung ating email. And sorry if medyo malabo yung ating camera. Since hirap siya mag-focus. Ayan. Hanapin lang natin yung Philippines. Ayan. Para sa ating mobile number. Ayan. Type lang natin yung number natin. Then, proceed to book.